Children, we will discuss about the international system. International system of numbers. So till now we have discussed our national system only. What are the digits? First ones, next tens, next hundreds, next what? Thousands, next 10,000s, next what? Lakhs, next 10 lakhs, next one crores. Okay, these kind of digits, these kind of places are in which system? In our national system, in Hindu or which system we can write like that. In this, we will separate the numbers by commas. After hundreds place, we should write a comma. After thousands and 10,000s, we should write a comma. After lakhs and 10 lakhs, we should write a comma. So, for example, a number is given 2, 37, 48, 226. Like this, a number is given. Okay, what is this number first? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. So 2 crores, 37 lakhs, 48,226. That is the number given. How can you separate with commas? Means first one, after hundreds place you have to write comma. Ones, tens, hundreds. Here you have to place a comma. This is called as a which period? Ones period. And thousands, 10,000s. After this also you have to write a comma. These two undercomes which period? Thousands period. Lakhs, 10 lakhs. After lakhs you have to write comma. This is called a lakhs period. Next one what? 10 lakhs will come. Sorry, 10 lakhs not. Crores will come. In which system it is? In national system. First comma after 3 digits. Next one after 2 digits only you have to write. But in international system, how can we write? How can we write means, in international system there will be no 10 lakhs and no crores. Then we should write what? Millions. Lakhs and crores will not be there in the international system. In place of lakhs, so first ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. After 10,000s, next place will be 100,000s. Okay, after 10,000s, next one what? 100,000s. And then the next one is actually 10 lakhs, but 10 lakhs will not be there in the international system. 10 lakhs will be called as million. Okay, next one is what? Millions, 10 millions, 100 millions like that. So, in international system, how can you read it? So, what are the digits we have? Ones, next one, tens, next hundreds. Okay, next one what? Thousand, next 10,000. Next one what? Commonly we should write as lakhs, but lakhs are not there. Instead of lakhs, what we have to write? 100,000. 100,000s. And the next one, millions. Okay, in international system, what we are writing here? Ones, tens, hundreds. These three comes into one period. It is ones period. Next, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. This comes into which one? It comes into thousands period. Then next one, millions. After millions, if there is any number, then what we should write? 10 millions. Okay, like this. It is called which period? Millions period. Okay, thousands period. So ones period. Next one, thousands period. Next what? Millions period we have in international system. But in our national system, what? Ones period, thousands period, lakhs period, crores periods like that. Okay, ones and tens and hundreds, 3 comes into which period? Ones period. Next, thousands and 10,000s, these 2 comes into which period? Thousands period. Next, lakhs, 10 lakhs. These two comes into which period? Lakhs period. In which type of system? In our national system. But in international system, what is happening? This lakh is coming into which period? Thousands period only. How it is coming? Thousands, 10,000s. Next one is what? 100,000s. So in international system, 1 lakh is equals to 1 lakh is equals to how many thousands? 100,000s. 1 lakh is equals to how many thousands? 100,000s. Similarly, next what I am saying, up to this thousands period complete. Next 10 lakh is there. But the 10 lakh, instead of 10 lakhs, what we are writing? Million. So what we can say? 1 million is equals to 1 million is equals to how many lakhs? 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs makes 1 million. And the next, after 10 lakhs, next one is what? Crores. But crores is also not there in this. What is there in the place of crores? 10 millions are there. So that's why 10 millions is equals to 10 millions equals to what? 1 crore. Okay, in international system we can write this one. Instead of 10 lakhs we have to write millions. Instead of 1 lakh, what we have to write? 100,000s. 100,000s. Now if a number is given, okay, 6, 35, 72, 565, okay, this kind of one number is given. Okay, we have to separate it by commas both in national system and in international system. How can we separate? In national system, what we should write? Ones, tens, hundreds. After the hundreds, write a comma. Next, thousands, 10,000s. After 10,000s, write a comma. Lakhs, 10 lakhs. Then write a comma. This is in which system? In our national system. How can you read this one? 6 crores, 35 lakhs, 72,565. We can read like that. But if we write the same number in international system, this is in national system. Okay, if we write the same number in international system, how can we write? Okay, first what we have? Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. After this, one comma. Thousands, 10,000s and 100,000s. Thousands, 10,000s and 100,000s. Then write a comma. Next, millions, 10 millions. So after three digits, you have to write commas in international system. So this is in which system? It is in international system. Okay. In national system, first comma will be after 3 digits. Remaining all are after 2 digits. But in international system, all the commas after 3 digits. First 3 digits, then write a comma. Next 3 digits, then write a comma. Next 3 digits, then write a comma, like that. Now, how can you read this one? How can you read this one? Ones, tens, hundreds. Thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. Millions, 10 millions. So 63 millions, 572,565. Okay, here whatever you write in this is millions. Whatever you have in this, these are thousands, and next one is common number. 63 millions 572,565. That is the number in international system. How we can read it in national system? 6 crores 35 lakhs 72,565. But in international system, 63,572,565. That is the number you have to write. Okay. Now remember this. 1 million is equals to how many lakhs? 10 lakhs. 1 crore is equals to how many millions? 10 millions. Then 1 crore equals to how many lakhs are there? 1 crore equals to how many lakhs? 100 lakhs makes 1 crore. Okay, 1 crore equals how many lakhs? 100 lakhs. 1 crore equals to how many millions? 10 millions. 1 million equals to how many lakhs? 10 lakhs. Okay, 1 lakh means how many hundreds? How many thousands? 100 thousands. Like this, you should write. Okay, now observe exercise 1.3, and in that exercise 1.3 we have the first bit. What is the first bit? Rewrite the following numbers with commas according to international systems. According to international system, we have to write the commas. Just I said now, where we should write commas in the international system? After three digits, you have to write the commas. After three digits. Okay. For example, A. First bit A is given. What is that? 708, 145. This is number given. Separated by commas. How we can write? 708, 145. Ones, tens, hundreds. After these three digits, you have to write a comma. Now, how can you read this one? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. So 708, 708,000, 708,000. How much? 145. This is the number. Okay, 708,000. These three are thousands. Similarly, write another number. What is that? B 2050970. This is a number given. First, separate it by commas. How we can separate them? 1, 2, 3. After 3 digits, you have to write comma. 1, 2, 3. After 3 digits, again you have to write a comma. Now, how can you read this one? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. This one is what? Million. So, how can you read this? 2 million, 2 millions, 50,000. How much? 970. Okay. In this way, we have to write that. Okay. One more number I will write. It is G. What is that? 3530. Next 8623. 8623. How can you separate it by commas? 3530, 8623. 1, 2, 3. After 3 digits, write a comma. 1, 2, 3. After 3 digits, write a comma. Now, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. Next one, what? Millions, 10 million. So, how can you write this one? 35 millions. 35 millions. Next word? 308 thousands. 308,623. Okay. That is the number in international system. Like that, you have to complete the first bit in exercise 1.3. What is second bit? Write the place value of the underlying digit according to the international system. Write the place value. What are the place values? Ones, tens, hundreds, same. Thousands, 10,000s also same. But after that, 100,000s, next one, million, and next one what? 10 million, next one what? 100 millions. Like that we will get. So observe that and write. Okay, I will explain the second bit afterwards, but complete the third bit, fill in the blanks. 1 million equals dash lakhs. How many lakhs? 1 million means 10 lakhs. Next one, 100,000 equals to dash lakhs. Next, 10 millions equals to dash crore. 10 million equals to dash lakhs. So these things you have to fill, right?